Think motorbike trousers, you think leather, Gore-Tex, Denim, Kevlar. There's a few options out there. Gore-Tex, it's meant to be the waterproof option, the one that keeps you warm in the winter, cool in the summer. Earlier on, I went in my garden with a water pistol, an axe, and an electric sander. And I put Gore-Tex to the test. The bullet Gore-Tex motorcycle trousers. Can they withstand the power from an axe, from an electric sander? We'll see. First, we will actually check if they're waterproof. That's why I'm wearing these lovely shorts. I'm going to stick this tissue paper to my legs, and then my beautiful assistant who's filming is going to shoot me with water pistols. It's the best scientific way to make sure that Gore-Tex waterproof trousers are in fact waterproof. My trousers. Just explain, I'm covering my crotch a little bit because my zip's not working.
I've got finger ache.
Now I'm going to see if the tissue paper has remained dry. Tissue paper's dry. So we've established that Gore-Tex does keep you dry, like it's made to do. But there's a lot more to worry about when you're riding a motorcycle than whether you're going to stay dry or not. Two ways I could have tested this. I could have got dragged behind a vehicle elsewhere in these, but the wife wouldn't let me. So I'm going to opt with the electric sander. It's taken a bit of a beating. So it's actually performed a lot better than I expected, to be honest. It's just taking a little bit of the colour off of it, that's all. However, what happens before you get dragged along the ground?
Shit yourself?
Shit yourself. Impact to the ground. So I'm going to go a bit extreme here. I'm going to see what it's like, see how it holds up against an axe. It's just the closest I could come to getting an axe. But it's not that sharp, it's just heavy and blunt. Oh. Went through it. Got another go. Unsurprisingly, an axe did go through the Gore-Tex. However, kept me dry, kept me from getting friction burns, and they're very comfortable. So that's my test of the Gore-Tex trousers. They are waterproof, like everyone says. And they are electric sander proof, which is good, but they are not axe proof. So if you're going to get some of these Gore-Tex trousers, don't be afraid of bad weather. However, be afraid of a man from the West Country with an axe. And also subscribe to my channel and like this video.
Motherfuckers still move. Die, motherfuckers, die, motherfuckers.
I think it's something in the water.